In today's video, I will show you how to make sweet chili tofu and garlicky veggies in less than 20 minutes. Here are the ingredients you need for this healthy cheat meal. They are also listed in the video description. In a saucepan, we'll heat the butter with a drizzle of olive oil over a medium-high heat. Once melted, we can add a tablespoon of ginger paste and cook it until fragrant. Next, we can pour the water in together with a generous pinch of salt and bring it to the boil. Once it's boiling, let's add the jasmine rice and stir for a while to prevent the rice sticking. Then we'll cover with a lid and reduce the heat to low. We'll let the rice cook for 10 minutes, then remove it from the heat. In the meantime, let's trim the edges of the green beans, then slice them in the middle and set aside in a bowl. Let's also slice the carrot vertically, then into half moons and set aside with the green beans. Then we'll also cut the Japanese tofu into chunks and put them in another bowl. Next, we will finally chop the garlic and we are going to leave it on our cutting board. While the rice is still cooking, we'll take a frying pan, heat a drizzle of olive oil over high heat. We'll cook the green beans and the carrots for 5 minutes until they become tender. Let's toss regularly, then add half of the garlic into the pan and cook until fragrant for a few minutes. We still need to cook the tofu, so let's transfer the veggies into a bowl, which we'll cover with a lid to keep them warm. Let's reuse the same pan and throw the Japanese tofu onto it. We'll cook it until browned by combining it together with the sweet chili sauce, the soy sauce and the remaining garlic. Everything is cooked, so it's time to dress our dinner bowls. We'll start with a layer of ginger rice at the bottom of the bowl. Then we can top it up with garlicky greens onto one side of the bowl. Next, we'll add a row of sweet chili tofu. Then we can add a few teaspoons of sour cream. And we finish it up by garnishing with crispy shallots. Sweet! I hope you like this healthy cheat meal recipe. I'll be posting more videos like this one in the future, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.